Repeat after me. I give myself the gift of forgiveness. I set myself free from the past. I live in the now. Each moment is new, and I am worthy of all that is good. I comfortably release the old and welcome the new in my life. I am loved and I am safe. I am willing to live. I trust life to unfold before me in positive ways. I stand open and willing to receive all good. I love and accept myself as I am in this moment. I choose to see the beauty around me. I choose to act with love and understanding. I am at peace. I'd like to do the affirmations again, but before I do, I want to share with you a reading from Dr. Shauna Freshwater, who's a neuropsychologist, and I found this in her blog recently. She says, emotions are states comprised of energy and that are in constant flux. Energy takes form, and emotions are forms. Anything that takes form by its very nature will transform and dissolve. You are depressed, but you cannot remain depressed forever. Even the most depressed person laughs sometimes. Even the saddest person smiles. And the person who is happy and laughing will break down crying. Emotions are impermanent by their very nature. They move and continuously change from one emotion to another. You have never had an emotion that has lasted. You have never experienced emotion that never ended. You have never felt an emotion that was permanent. Investigate for yourself. Then you will realize this deeply as the truth. Let's start the affirmations again. Please repeat after me. I give myself the gift of forgiveness. I set myself free from the past. I live in the now. Each moment is new, and I am worthy of all that is good. I comfortably release the old and welcome the new in my life. I am loved and I am safe. Daily affirmations have worked for me, and I am confident that they'll work for you if they are repeated often enough. Spoken positive affirmations replace the negative unconscious debris that has been blocking your progress. I hope you have enjoyed the video and will use it for your benefit or share it with someone who you care about. For now, this is Valerie saying have a wonderful day, keep safe, and we'll be back to you very shortly. I also want to thank all of my subscribers. I really appreciate it. Take care.